Okay. This one.
Okay, so I'm making slime. And I just had that.
She's doing an amazing job, by the way.
This is my.
Tell them what you made it out of.
I made this out of glue and borax in water.
And lotion.
Yeah, and lotion.
Yeah.
And I'm also going to be adding some paint in it. So I'm making 3. This is my first one. This is my second one.
She's gonna be adding some paint soon.
So yeah, this is my second one. Oh, I thought I had my ring of that. I made a ring with it. It was really hard. This is this one. I need to add some more lotion in it because, as you see, one thing I hate about using the borax is that it's like feels like a rubber. So I'm adding some lotion in it. Because one thing I hate about using the borax is it feels like rubber, but my mom forgot to get Tide or contact solution, so we had to use the borax. And we have a big thing of borax right here and a little thing of borax right here.
Borax.
So what I'm going to do right now is play with it. This is the slime.
I did a close-up.
Okay, so now I'm going to make my last slime. So I'm going to take this slime out, and I'm going to make my last slime in here. Actually, I'm going to put this one in and take this one.
Hold up, you can use like, hold on, let me find the container.
You got it? Okay, so I'm making my last slime.
Last slime.
And then I'm going to make an SMR. First of all, I got to get this out. Okay, can you hand me the water, please?
Yeah.
Well, I got it.
She's adding some water.
Adding some water to get the glue.
Because it's
out.
really, really thick.
Here's the foam beads, y'all.
Where?
Okay, and she got some foam beads. She's gonna
Where is
Diamond gotta crunch it up.
I'm making.
Crush it on the dime, y'all. Crush it on y'all.
So I'm shaking this up so I can get it all out. Sorry if this is in your way. Barely anything came out. Mainly water came out. I might not make this one because I can't even get this freaking.
Oh! Need more lotion, Dusty?
The glue is super duper hard to get out.
It's.
Want me to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some scissors. Want me to pause this?
Yes. So we got it open. We're taking it
now.
out now. So we have to cut it open. I'm going to see if there's anything in here.
Yeah, it might be.
You stayed the whole weekend.
Yeah. She knows, I think.
Yeah, because I don't think I'm going to Dish's party either.
Yeah.
We might go for to get something to eat and give me Monster with evening.
She said, "Yeah, we got to go."
But right now, hold on. So we got the glue out, so I'm gonna go add some borax.
Okay, so she's adding some borax right now. This is a sticky mess. I know this glue is really, really sticky.
I lost one of my rings.
Pause it. So I'm done with all my slimes. This is my first slime I made.
It was water.
There's some borax.
It was water, glue,
Borax
and
mixture in there, but I'll mix it up.
water, glue,
First
and
one,
lotion.
and it's kind of not popping. I'm gonna do an X one where I'm just showing you guys.
Slime.
This second one.
Made
This
with
one
a little
needs
bit of
more.
glue. And this was the first time I made it. It's still sticky.
This needs some.
And I added some more glue to this.
Lotion
I don't know why it's
and some
sticky.
borax. And then this is my third
But it's not
slime.
sticky.
It's in here.
So I have 4 of these slimes, and I made all.
This one
I
add nothing in there. It's just naturally.
And I made all of these with just one.
It's
little
just
thing.
naturally
And I'm
glitter
gonna add
glue.
some water in
We
here.
had to cut that up. And these two, I made these two out of just regular.
And my
on this
sister,
small
my
bottle of
cousin
white glue.
is doing a YouTube video on there.
Okay, SMR time. So I'm gonna start. It's my time. So I'm gonna start with this one. This one
So look, it's less sticky now.
is kind of having
And we
no
have
poking
Fobies.
noises on it, but okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna add some.
Crunchies, but I'm not making.
I'm gonna add some color. So I'm gonna add this glow in the dark purple.
Glittery ones. And another
If I can
one
open
is
it.
going to be super glittery because it's a glitter glue.
Let's open it.
Made with glitter glue. Because my cousin, she has the slime
Adding it in there.
before. That's what her.
And then I'm going to
Eat
go this one.
I'm getting a slime kit with my credit card. Oh my gosh, it's still something. I need some more.
So I put both of them in there. So I'm at the.
Oh my gosh, I need the spoon. Oh, I'm gonna
Okay, so
add
mixing
half
it
of a
up, okay.
tablespoon to
I'm using this with my hand. I really shouldn't be doing that because I just mixed the pink with the purple, but okay. Okay. Towel!
And I need.
Towel!
I said okay. Give it to her.
I have paint on my hands. I said dang on towel.
She's the only one who has paint on her hands. Classic over here.
So I just colored this one. This one was supposed to be pink, but then I accidentally mixed the
Oh
purple.
my gosh, that slime is so
Hopefully you
good.
guys remember.
But I have to add some
Hold on,
lotion to
let me
it.
try
I'm
to
still
zoom out.
refusing to add lotion.
Hold on, I'm about to zoom out.
I love slime. Like,
Okay, so
sticky
I
on it,
got it
you
out.
can play with it.
What's it? Did I just colored it? Oh well. So I am mixing
Okay,
it
so
up,
sticky
and yeah, so
to get
I'm
up all
about
the
to mix
excess.
this.
Were you mad when we had a sleepover with?
So I mixed the purple one in, and I also
That mess that was
finished
over there?
this
Down there.
one. There's this one.
Hey, look at that slime. It's a nice size. It's like 2 tablespoons of slime.
It's really
One
cute.
tablespoon.
And then
Look how good that is.
And I think I might make this one the crunchy slime, and this one the glittery slime, and this one just the regular slime. So I'm going to have to put everything. So I added,
oh my gosh, I'm like bashing this.
I'm gonna find something.
so I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the beauty. This one is kind of actually the worst one.
This is so
I would say 'cause it's not kind of that stretchy. Like it's barely stretchy.
water to
So yeah.
the
So yeah. My favorite one is this one.
Okay.
I need to
coming
try to
together.
get all these foam beads out because I added foam beads in it and I don't know why.
Oh my god.
So like these parts, yeah. So I'm gonna add some more pink in this one because I
It
hate it.
smells like paint.
This one,
It actually
better.
smells like nail polish, not paint. I meant.
This is one. This is the gold one. And I need to
I'm adding
with.
some.
Can someone hand me my container? My new container.
Where is it?
It's right by you. Hello,
What was that?
stranger. I like it. Yeah, and the top. Yes, thank you.
It's like, no, this is your container.
Oh well.
You just put I'm adding glue. Okay, great.
See you.
You can stop looking over here. You're great. Go back home to your wife.
Go back home to your wife. Go back
She's
home.
missing you.
I bet she missing you.
She missing you. And
I
they
was
get
like,
the hell out of here.
I was like, bro, I'm weak. What? No, I was
Okay, so I'm done.
So I was talking to my
So
boyfriend. I was like,
package.
hey, babe, I was like, what you doing? He was like, nothing, thinking about you. I was like, I thought he was like, what about you? They're like, nothing. Then I realized, looked back, and I was like, oh, she using your glue.
Okay.
It
Why would I
was
care?
a swap. And I fixed her slime, which I fixed the purple in. I could use the rest of her glue. I had more glue.
Does anybody
left
want
in
the
it.
rest of this glitter?
Me. It's like so little.
No, because look.
Oh, it's a lot. Not really.
Because I'm making the pink one a glittery one. But Diamond freaking Dengue, when she was turning her dang thing over, freaking foam bees got in my
No,
freaking
wait,
stomach.
that's when you were scraping it together.
No, it's not, because I did that in that one. There's green foam bees in here, Diamond, and you're the only one that
Exactly.
used green.
I didn't have green. They're white.
Yes, you do. They're green.
And there's some
the ones
green
that was
on
in
the
that
They're
container.
green. They're green. Trust me, they're green.
Oh,
Oh, hoo, hoo, boo, hoo, hoo. Can someone hand me the pink
so
paint?
hard to put a phone up. It's like
Can someone hand me the pink paint?
the paint, pink. Yes. Oh. So this slime is not the best, but it is kind of stretchy. It was in a lot of paint and glitter. Like, if you have some glue people, like, mail it to me, so I can, like, yeah. Because next time we're gonna have to.
Damn, girl.
Yeah, you're gonna have to mail the glue to me before I can. Because I might just keep this in a container and just, you know, yeah, improvise. And, like, wait, and I gotta put some borax. Yeah, like, I'm gonna make some borax.
I'm about to do the 24-hour challenge. But I don't know when I'm going to do the 24-hour challenge. Oh.
Okay, so where's this? We're gonna add like about a teaspoon of.
We should do the stay up
'Cause I have
24-hour
this.
challenge.
I meant
Stay up for 24
tablespoon.
hours.
Should we stay up for 24 hours?
Yeah, we should do that Saturday.
I don't know why we're going to stay up for 24 hours, though.
So we can't go to sleep tonight.
Because, I stay up for 24 hours, like, on daily, so.
Exactly.
That really wouldn't be
like I never
a
go to
challenge.
sleep in the morning.
That barely
never
would
go to
be a
sleep at night.
challenge. And actually, it wouldn't be a 24-hour challenge, because even if I stay up,
Okay,
I would still be up.
mix that.
Until don't feel. I got that song stuck in my head now. Thanks a lot.
Oh no, let
Well,
it
now
go.
they know.
Let it
Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Cause here I stand in the light of time. Let the story rage on.
And it's no done by me anyway.
Or whatever it says. I don't even know. Like, I just know the first part of that song, like most of it, and then I lost.
Let the storm rage on. The storm never bothered me anyway. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da.
Drop that thing.
We're not doing the twerking version. We're just doing the
The
regular
cold
version.
never bothered me anyway. Da-da-da-da. 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 Even some distance. It's everywhere. It's fun.
And
Kingdom of the rolling can't get to me at all. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. I'm adding a lot of pink paint in it because I don't like the color. It's
Oh my
turning-
gosh, it's pretty though.
It's turning into the purple.
Ugh.
Got it back.
You want to know, Shell?
Ain't nobody said yes.
Say you don't have to. She did it again. She keeps doing that.
Everybody said
Oh my
what?
gosh, I gotta clean my hands and I'm cleaning this bowl up because I cannot stand this because I gotta put my purple slime somewhere, you know. Like, because this is in here. The white slime, the white slime. The white slime is going in a green container with no top. Like, because that white slime is not that perfect. So don't act like it's perfect.
Now,
What?
Well,
Now they know. I destroyed this. Look
Okay,
at
guys.
This.
Okay, guys. So I have a new thing that I'm gonna do, and it's and this is a challenge. This is a new challenge that I just heard of like yesterday. I'm trying to find my container. Okay, I found my container. I gotta mix this up because there's stuff all over it.